In this video, we're going to look at how to schedule your installer. So how to give your installer a notification that he's been assigned to a job. Let's get that done. As always, we're starting from dashboard. As you can see, installations this week's only one. So let's assume that we've done a site measure. We've gone to send. So once you've done your site measure, then you actually need to move this job card to send. That means now you can schedule it. So then you just click on this one, and then it opens up the window here. So as you can see, we've measured 100 meters area, hydrant plank, master bedroom entry. Again, I didn't feel much of it here because again, this is for the different video. But here you can see all the measurements, all the scope, and here's the schedule. Here's the schedule. So now, as you know, your client says, yeah, I'm happy to go ahead. And now you need to assign an installer. So what you do is you go to schedule, you add schedule. So now you again, you can, so we need, you can send him to remeasure or estimator, or here we're doing the installation. So we put the installation, let's put the starting time, 7 a.m. Let's put Friday start, Friday finish. Assign the installer. So as we remember, we have two installers now. One is the John Smith. Let's do the John Smith. John Smith, and any notes if we need to, lockbox 1, 2, 3, 4, for example. So then that's the save. Now that information's, or once you install have the application, so he gets the notification that your job's been assigned. So he can open up an app. That's again for the different video, but he can open up an app and then see what you've been quoted, what needs to be done, photos, removals, stairs, and he can prepare himself a lot better, knowing what's waiting for him. Because that's that's very painful when you need to explain your installer what needs to be done, what you've discussed with your client. But this job card will help him a lot. Will cover half of the questions. He might not even have to call you and ask what to do. That's a very handy one. That's one of the reasons I've built this app to have that covered, so they don't call you 7 a.m. in the morning and asking what to do. That's the okay. That's done. That's been assigned, and now in dashboard we should see this been assigned. Yes. So now it's the same. Obviously, it's not double up, but it's because of the I'm the client. It's a little bit confusing, but yes, that's the job now has been assigned. So actually, you see here a client name, his address, and so on. So now you can see you have on your dashboard it's 2 jobs happening, and that's the a code for them. So again, you can look up for that and all that. So view calendar is coming soon. That's going to be idea behind this is similar to your Google Calendar. So then you can view calendar and you can open up the big screen, and then you can see who's doing what, when, and so on. That's coming soon, very soon. But yeah, that's been scheduled. Now it's time to go to the app and look at his view, how he gets that notifications and all that. So thanks for watching. Again, if you have any comments, let me know, but I'll see you at the next one.